Morning children, welcome to EVS online class. In previous class, we learned my body and different types of body parts. Let me recall it once. Okay children, see this is our body. Okay, head is first part of the body. See, this is the head, hair on my head, hair is on head, then eyes, nose, mouth, chest, stomach, hands and legs. These are the different types of body. See, we have now in this class, in first standard, we are studying only in external part of the body. So internal part in higher classes, when you are going higher classes, you will study. Okay children, now see only external parts. See, I will explain once. See, this is head. Okay, hair on my head, hair, which is the color of hair? So that is hair, black color. Then I have forehead. See, this is forehead and eyebrows. Okay, I have two eyebrows and two eyes, nose, ears, mouth. In mouth I have teeth. The color of the teeth is white. Inside I have tongue also. Which tongue? Pink color tongue. See, I have pink color tongue. Everybody, okay. So next come to neck. This is neck, two shoulders, two arms, two hands. See, in each hand we have 5 fingers. Okay, each hand we have 5 fingers. That is thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. So we have 2 hands. In each hand we have 5 fingers. So totally how many fingers we have? 10 fingers. Okay children, come to the next. Chest, stomach, legs. Okay, in hand this is wrist. This is called wrist. Okay, this is wrist. Okay, then come to the leg part. This is ankle. This is ankle part. Okay children, so in each feet you have 5 toes. Okay, so how many toes you have totally? 10. Each feet you have 5 toes. Then totally you have 2 feet, 2 foot and 10 toes. Okay children, so this is the part of our body. Now see, we will see, and some parts body are pair and some parts body are single. See, pairs. Which are the pairs? See, eyes. 2 eyes, 2 ears. Okay, then 2 lips. We have 2 lips. Okay, 2 hands, 2 shoulders. Okay children, 2 legs, 2 ankles, 2 wrists. Okay, these are all pairs. That means in our body we have some pairs and we have single part of the body. Okay, let me see each part of body how works. Now today, this is first standard. My body. Okay, so in this we are seeing how our body parts work. So we learned each part of our body is different and each part has a name and each part performs different function, but all the parts work together. Isn't it children? But all the parts work together. So let me see in detail each part how they are working together. See, first we use eyes. We are using eyes to see. Okay, then come to, we use nose to smell. Okay, we use mouth to eat. Isn't it children? Then we use our our ears to hear the sound. Okay? Then, so we use our mouth to eat, to bite, to taste. Isn't it, children? To chew the food, to bite the food. Isn't it, children? Yes, we use our ears to hear the sounds. Okay, so we use eyes to see the thing, different colors, different sizes, different shapes. Isn't it, children? Everything we see with our eyes. And we use our nose to smell the things that is a bad or good. Isn't it, children? Yes. In class, you will tell, no, ma'am, some bad smell is coming. Then how you will smell? In your nose. You are sitting near your friends. You will tell, no, ma'am, some bad smell is coming, ma'am. You are shouting anything. Isn't it, children? So you smell with your nose. Then you eat, you chew, you taste with your mouth. Okay. Then we use ears to hear the sound. Then we use our hands. We use our hands. Tell me. We use our hands to, yes, I am writing in my hand. Yes, to write. Okay, to write. See, I am holding a chalk. I am holding chalk. Where? In my hand. Isn't it, children? To hold the things. Okay, to hold the things. To eat. To draw drawings, pictures. Okay, then to clap your hands means how you will clap? You clap with your two hands, no, like this, clap your hands. Isn't it, children? Yes. So everything we are use our hands to clap also. Okay, so we use our hands to write, to hold the things. See, I am holding duster, I am holding pencil. Isn't it, children? Everything. So to hold the things, to eat, to draw, to clap. So all these things we are using our hands. Then come to the next leg and foot. We use legs. We use legs and feet. So we are using our legs first to stand. Isn't it, children? To stand. You are standing on your legs now? Yes. To stand, to walk. To stand, to walk. Then to jump, to run. To jump. Okay? To run, to jump. Then to dance, to hop, to dance, to hop, etc. Okay? So, we use our legs to stand, to walk, to run, to hop. Isn't it, children? Then to jump. You are jumping one side to another wall. Isn't it, children? Then you with your legs, with your feet, you use with the help of the legs and feet, you can jump from one side to another side. You can walk, you can hop, you can dance. So we use our we use our legs and feet. So see, so we recall it once. We have so many parts in our body, isn't it, children? So each part is different. Each part is different and each part performs different function also. but all the parts are work together. So we use our eyes to see, we use our nose to smell the things, we use our mouth to eat, chew the food, to taste, to bite. Isn't it, children? Yes, we use ears to hear the sound. Then we use our hands to write, to eat, to hold the things, to draw, to clap. Okay? Then we use our legs and feet to stand, to walk, to run, to hop, to dance, to jump. See, these are all we are using. All these our parts. Okay? So our body is made of many parts. We know. See, so different parts are there. Eyes are different, nose are say. All parts are not equal. So the eyes are different. Ears, mouth, nose, hands, legs, everything is different. So our body has many parts. So each parts work together, but each part work together. It performs different function, but it work together. So we can do many things with our body. We can do many things to ride, to jump, to see, to stand, to smell the things. Isn't it? We can do so many things with our body. So we have to clean. So we have to clean and keep our body. We should keep our body clean. And we should take bath regularly. We should take a bath regularly. We should keep our body always clean. So regularly you should take the bath regularly. And twice you should brush your teeth. Okay, your twice day. So you should brush your teeth twicely, otherwise some bad smell will come from your mouth, isn't it, children? So you should always, every part, each part of our body, you should clean. You should keep clean. So then only good health. Okay, children? So we have so many parts. So we have so many parts. Each part is different and each part perform different function. So to keep our body always, we should keep our body clean. So you know how your body parts works. Then next we will see the sense organs. Which are the sense organs? Okay, children, see, our body is most amazing machine in the world. It's so amazing. Our body is amazing. How do we know it's amazing? What is happening around us? Isn't it, children? What is happening? Everything, something, every day something has happened in our around us. Isn't it? So how do we know all these things? What is happening? What is going on around us? So that means we know with our sense organs. So we know what is happening around us. The sense organs help us to know what is happening. Isn't it, children? So we have 5 sense organs. So we have 5 sense organs. So sense organs. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. That is, see, first one is eyes. This is eyes. This is our eyes. So, first sense organ is Eyes. We use eyes to see. Okay. Then come to the next. Mouth. This is our mouth. Tongue. Okay. Tongue to taste. Okay. To taste the food. Then nose. This is nose to smell. Okay. Then ear. Our ear to hear the sound. Then last one is hand. See, this is our skin. Okay. Skin. To feel the things. So, we have 5 sense organs. How many organs we have? 5 sense organs. Okay, children? So, eyes, tongue, nose, ear, skin. Okay, how many sense organ we have? We have 5 sense organ. That is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, see. Now, let us learn about each organs. Okay, come to the eyes. Come to the eyes. We can see things. We can see things with our eyes. Then we can also see colors, different sizes, different shapes, everything we can see with our eyes. So we can see the things. See, one by one I will write here like this. Okay, we can see things. We can see different colors. See different colors. Okay, and we can see different sizes. Then we can see different shapes. Different shapes with our eyes. So we can see, first sense organ is eyes. So we can, with our eyes, we can see the things, different things. We can see different colors. We can see different shapes. we can see different sizes, we can see different shapes, we can see different colors means red, blue. We can identify now which color you are liking. You are telling everybody is telling same color. No. So each one you are saying different colors. Somebody likes red, some others blue, orange, green, pink. Isn't it children? Black, white. So we are seeing different colors with our eyes. Eyes help us to identify the things. Colors, different sizes, big, small. You have somebody have small ball, somebody have small kid, somebody have small teddy bear, and somebody has one big teddy bear. Isn't it in your house? So all are not having same teddy bear. So you have different sizes. Dolls you have, or different sizes playing things. You have, isn't it? Then shapes. This is square, this is circle, this is rectangle, this is triangle, this is cone. Different shapes we can identify with our eyes. Isn't it, children? Yes. So we can, eyes help us to see the things. So eyes help us to see the things. That means different colors, different sizes, different shapes. So eyes help us to see the things. This is the first one. Come to the second one, ears. So we can hear. We can hear sounds with our ears. To hear. Hear andre ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. We can see. That is over. Eyes. So comes to the ears. Ears help us to hear the sounds. That may be soft sound, loud sound, isn't it? Soft music, loud music, isn't it, children? Yes. So ears help us to hear the sounds. That may be loud. In orchestra, in your area, they are doing orchestra, means it's a very big sound, isn't it? A huge sound comes. Yes, that is loud voice. They are keeping loud voice. They are singing in loud voice, isn't it, children? Yes. In soft means you can, in your home, you can see, you can listen music, soft music, isn't it, children? So slowly, so we can use our ears to hear the sound that may be soft or loud, isn't it, children? Yes. Then come to the third one, nose. So third organ is nose. Yes. Nose help us to smell the things that is bad or smell, that is good or bad. Isn't it, children? Yes. So nose, first it help us to smell. In smell, that is good. Good smell is also there. Then bad smell is also there. And nose help us to breathe also. Isn't it? We are using the nose to breathe. Yes, in our nose only we are breathing. Breathing in oxygen, breathing out carbon dioxide. In living things, in previous class we learned, no? With the nose only, with the help of the nose only we are breathing. Isn't it, children? Nose help us to breathe also and help us to identify the smell that is good or bad. Then see some flowers, rose, jasmine, these are all some good smell is coming. We can identify. Isn't it, children? In front of you, we bring jasmine flower that you are smelling. It's good smelling, isn't it, children? And some others bad. That time only I told already in classes. For example, you are sitting with your along with your friends or your friends. Then you are telling, ma'am, something bad smell is coming. One is shouting like something bad smelling is coming, and some other time, not this side, ma'am, that side, ma'am. You are telling no. So how you identify the smell? With your nose. Okay, so nose help us to smell the things. Okay, and it also help us to breathe. So that is a good or bad. So good thing or bad thing, bad smell we can identify with our nose. Okay, children. Then come to the tongue. So fourth one is tongue. So tongue help us to. So tongue help us to taste the things. We can taste with our tongue. It may be sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy. Isn't it, children? So tongue help us to taste the things. Taste like bitter, sweet, salt, isn't it? Sour. So tongue help us to taste the thing. So it may be bitter. If you eat bitter gourd, then it will like a sweet taste? No, it's a bitter taste. Kahi kahi, aglakai, gotalva. If mummy done bitter gourd palya, so what you will do? You won't eat because mummy it's bitter, ma'am. Mummy is it's so bitter, mo. I can't eat. You are telling, isn't it, children? Yes, sweet. Otherwise, she makes jamun. You eat happily, isn't it? So many jamuns. 4 or 5, more than 4 or 5 will eat at a time because it is very tasty, it's sweet. Isn't it, children? You taste that sweet taste. You taste with your tongue. Then salty. Salty things. Say, for example, in outside, you will bring that what we call that lace, kurkure. That all, it's very salty taste, isn't it? And then sour. Some sour smell you can taste with us. We can taste with our tongue. These are all. Tongue help us to taste the things that may be bitter, sweet, salty, sour. Isn't it, children? So these are all spicy also. So these are all we taste with our tongue. Okay. Then come to the fifth one. That is nose. Fifth sense organ is, skin. Nose finished now. Skin. So, skin help us to feel the things. So, like hot or cold. So, it help us to feel like hot, cold. Isn't nothing? Isn't soft, hard, blend, soft, hard, like that. So, skin help us to feel. See, if you can hold ice cubes in your hand, how you feel? It's very hard? No, it's cool. So, how you know? The skin. Through the skin we can feel. So, skin help us to the feeling. Okay? It help us to feel the things that may be hot. Mummy make hot drinks to you to drink. Then if you hold the glass in your hand, it's very hot. You will tell, no, Mummy, it's very hot. Please hold it. I can't hold. How? With your skin. Through your skin you can feel. It may be hot, it may be cold, it may be soft. Leather, if you hold feathers in your hand, you can feel like a soft, isn't no? Otherwise you can hold in your hand, throw stones, how you feel? It's like a soft? No, stones are very hard. So through your skin we can feel the things are hot or cold, soft or hard. So skin help us to feel the things. Okay, children. So, how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, tongue, nose, ear and skin. Isn't it, children? Yes, eyes help us to see the things. different shapes, different sizes, different colors. Isn't no? It helps us to see the things. Then tongue help us to taste the food. It helps us to taste the food. It may be taste bitter, sweety, spicy, salty, sour. It helps us to taste the things. Then nose help us to smell. That may be bad smell or good smell, and also it helps us to breathing. Okay. Then ear help us to hear the sounds. That may be loud or soft. That may be loud or hard. Okay, children? Yes. Then skin, it helps us to feel. It may be hot or cold, soft or hard. So these are all our 5 sense organs. So we have how many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. That means eyes to see, nose to smell, ears to hear the voice, and tongue to taste the food, and skin help feeling to feel. Okay, it helps us to feel. So this is about my body. This is about my body. Okay, children? So now you understood, no? So our body has many parts. Each part has different function. Each part has work. Different functions. Okay, it has particular name, isn't no? But all the parts are work together. So each part of our body works, like eyes to see, ear to nose, ear to hear, nose to smell, skin to feel, and we are using our hands to write, to eat, to clap. We are using our legs to jump, to walk, to run, to hop. So like that our parts, body parts may do different function. This is about our body. So now I will give assignment homework for you. Homework. So next class you have textbooks. No, next class. See page number 163. We will do exercise part. Okay, next class. So 163. Be ready. 163. We do the exercise part. Then now you write down the homework. Now you write down the homework. See homework, match the following. Match the following. Smell, hear, feel, then taste, then see. You have to match. Okay, children? Skin, eyes, nose, ears, then tongue. You have to match with sense organs. I am giving here one side senses. Okay. And you have to match the organs with the organs. Like I can smell. I can smell with our nose. Isn't no? I can hear with our ears. I can feel through skin. I taste the food with tongue. I'll see with eyes. With my eyes. Like that you have to match. You have to put the numbers here. Don't get confused. Okay. Then second. This is the first one. And come to the second. Name the 5 sense organs. Name the 5 sense organs. Okay, you have to write. You know how many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. Isn't it, children? So you have to write the names of the 5 sense organs name. So that is eyes, ears, mouth, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. You have to write here. This is homework for you. So you have to complete it in your homework book. So in the next class, I told already to open your textbooks. That is page number 163. We will do exercise part. Okay. Thank you, children.